Here is the easiest way to organize your Gmail inbox using labels and filters. There are two types of labels you can use. First one is simple labels and the other one is nested labels. Both methods work well, but I personally recommend using nested labels because they provide a much more organized and efficient way to manage your inbox. In fact, this is the system I use myself every day. With nested labels, related emails stay grouped together, making it easier to find important messages and keep your inbox clutter-free. In this tutorial, I will show you both methods step by step so you can decide which one works best for you. We will start with the simple label method and then move on to the nested labels, where you will see why many Gmail power users prefer this approach. So for creating regular labels, we have to click on the plus icon to create a new label, then enter a name for your label. In this example, I will call it Reddit because I want all emails from Reddit to appear in the one dedicated place. Once you have entered the name, click create. As you can see, the Reddit label have now been created. However, it's currently empty because no email have been assigned to it yet. To fix that, we will create a filter for Reddit emails. Now go back to your inbox and open any email you have received from Reddit. Then click on the three dots you can see here and click on the filter message like this button. Next, we have to click on create filter. Now we will check this button and we will choose our label. In our case, it's Reddit. After that, check never send it to spam to make sure future Reddit emails do not end up in your spam folder. Finally, check also apply filter to matching conversations. This will automatically move all your existing Reddit emails into the Reddit label as well. Once you click create filter, Gmail will organize both your current and future emails under the Reddit labels. As you can see, this email got labeled of Reddit. Now, whenever you want to view your Reddit emails, you can simply open the Reddit label and find everything in one place, neatly organized. As you can see, all the emails from Reddit are organized. Now let's talk about creating nested labels. This is a smart and more time-saving way compared to regular labels, and it keeps everything much more organized. With nested labels, we can group emails of the same category in one place. For example, we can create main label called social media, and inside it we can create separate labels like Reddit and Pinterest. In the same way, you can also create other categories like freelance, platform, banking, and many more, depending on your needs. To create nested labels, first you need to click on the plus icon. After that, you will name your parent label, which you can also call a category label. In this case, we will name it social media. Then click on the create button. Now your parent label is created. Next, again click on the plus icon, but this time you will create your actual label. In this case, we will name it Reddit. After giving the name, we will place it inside a category for better organization and productivity. Since Reddit is a social media platform, we will put it under social media parent label, and then we will click on the create button. Let's quickly create one more label like Pinterest in the same way. Now our categorized label are created. As you can see, they are still empty right now. Next, we will work on them and set up filters so that emails automatically appears in the respective labels. So what we will do, we go to inbox, we find an email which comes from Reddit. Now I will click on the three vertical dots and I will click filter messages like these. Now I will again press create filter, and this time I will click on the apply the label button and I will choose a label. In this case, I will choose social media / Reddit, not social media, but social media / Reddit. And I will click the checkbox of never send it to spam, and I will also click on the also apply filter to match conversation button. Now we will create filter. So our filter is created, and you can see here it is. Now you can see your label in which all these emails. Now let's do this for Pinterest. We will search any Pinterest email. I will click on this email. I will click on this button, filter messages like this, create filter. I will choose my label, social media / Pinterest, never send it to spam, also apply filter to 6 matching conversation, create filter. Now our filter is created, as you can see, and now we can see our Pinterest label organized and the Reddit label is organized. You can see our social media parent label is still empty. You can do something for that, but in that case I will prefer this approach. So yeah, this is how we can create labels and organize our Gmail inbox.